Life in the province is said to be the most peaceful and full of gaiety. The daily lives of the people in the province are tantamount to a longer life. Masarap talaga manirahan sa probinsya, lalong-lalo na kung ganito ang kapaligiran, preskong hangin at magandang tanawin. Ang mga tanim na ito ay sa aming tita.
Fight.